Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be bringing to you some Valentine's Day hair inspiration. Stay tuned. Okay, so we are starting off on freshly washed hair, and today's style is coming to you using products from Uncle Funky's Daughter. I will leave my discount code up above as well as in the description box so you can save some coins on these amazing products. So for starters, I shampooed my hair with Squeaky Clarifying Cleanser. Love, love, love the minty tingle from this shampoo. It's a very clarifying shampoo, but it does not leave your hair stripped at all. Must try. And then I went in with one of my favorite deep conditioners, which is the Heal and Renew Intensive Hair Mask. This also has that minty feel to it. And I'm literally at the end of this container, but I do have backups. So shampooed, deep conditioned with these two. Now for styling. I'm going to be using two products from Uncle Funky's Daughter. First up is the Super Curl Miracle Moisture Cream. And this cream has so much moisture that I don't even need to use a leave-in conditioner with it. So I'm just going to be using this. And then for some extra hold, I'm going to be going in with Curly Magic Curl Stimulator. Definitely two of my favorite stylers. So let's get into styling. Okay, so I went ahead and sectioned the front part of my hair off, which I'm going to be styling. The back, I just put it into a low ponytail and then just twisted it around in a little bun. And we are actually going to do these not flexi rods, Curlformers. We're going to be using these Curlformers. So we have the pink and the orange Curlformers. So I'll be alternating between the two. And we're going to be using those on this front section of my hair. So let's get into styling. So I've sectioned off my first section. I'm going to be going in with Super Curl. About this much for this entire first section. Making sure that product is distributed evenly throughout my strands. And I'm gonna go in with my tangling brush. And then we're going to go and section the first piece off. And I'm doing these in small to medium sections. So just going to pin this out of the way. And then we're gonna go in with a little bit of Curly Magic for some extra hold. Work that into the strands. Finger detangling. I have to put the one back together. So I'm gonna start with the pink one and just inserting the wand into the roller. And then I'm just gonna take this piece, twist it around a bit just so that it fits inside of the hook. And then I'm just going to push the Curlformer up off of the wand. And that's it. Just that simple. So I'll show you that again. And I'll just be repeating these same steps throughout my entire section. Magic. Working it through. This time we're going to use the orange one. So again, twisting at the root, bringing it through that hook, and then pushing the curl former up. And there we have it. So I'm done rolling up my hair. It's going to sit under the dryer for about 30 to 45 minutes and see if it's dry, let it air dry some. We'll be back for the takedowns though. Stay tuned. So I've already taken down the one in the front just to make sure that it is dry, and it is. So the takedown process is fairly easy. All you do is just push on the top part to like open it up. And then just pull it down. Let me show you a little close up. So you squeeze it to open it up. And then you just pull it down. This is what the curls are looking completely down. So we're gonna go in with some of our glossy finishing hair polish just to coat my hands, just to eliminate any unnecessary unwanted frizz. And we're just gonna go in and do a little separating. Don't wanna do too much. These curl formers definitely elongate your curls. My hair does have a nice hold with using these two products. Okay, so tell me why. What's going on here? Like, it started out so promising. It's literally every time I try to separate my curls when I use these curl formers, it doesn't curl like it's supposed to curl. Like, but what are we gonna do? Are we gonna give up? No, we're gonna finesse it and we'll be back. Stay tuned. And here are the final results of the style. Just pinned the curls to the side and added my little love pin there. So let me know in the comment section what you would have done with this almost failed hairstyle and what you think about what I've done with it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope that you've enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.